I don't use this machine that often, but I will probably never live without a CNC machine. It just allows you to fix whatever you need, to make whatever you need. This is what I'm dealing with today. Our injection molding machine has been having some consistency problems. Shot to shot is different, which that means that the tip, the check tip, which is this thing, has gone bad somehow. This is the barrel. This is all the heater bands on the barrel. And then this is the screw. The whole screw can pop out, can slide out this way if we needed to take it out, but we don't need to take it all the way out. This is the end cap that captures all the pressure inside that barrel of the plastic, and it comes out this tip into the mold. The thermocouple on this cap was going wonky, and it kept messing with our heats, and you don't want to go too hot or too cold on plastic. So I bought some new thermocouples from PPE. This fits in perfectly, but the thermocouple's still loose in there. It needs to be tight to be able to read temperature properly. And this is the only threaded in thermocouple they have. They don't have any longer thread lengths on this. So what I have to do is take off the threaded end of this thermocouple. And what I have to do is I have to take these nuts I bought from McMaster, and I have to machine a hole down the center that will fit around the body of this thermocouple but also catch this lip. I'm going to have to program a CNC machine path for this in Fusion 360 and do a couple of these so I have them. So this is just an example of an issue that I've come into contact with recently. A thermocouple went bad. Anything that uses heat needs thermocouples to read temperature. I couldn't find a thermocouple to fit my machine. I could have went to the manufacturer, but it would have taken 2 to 4 weeks to get, so I decided to fix it myself. This is nothing more than a bolt with a hole in it. Nothing crazy. You don't need a fully custom machined bolt for this. I figured out what thread size it was and figured out the thread length I needed and decided to put a hole in it. I have the resources to be able to do this quick and easy, and I also have the experience to do this quick and easy. It's taken many years to get where I'm at. So let's talk about some problem solving skills that help with thinking about how we want to solve this problem. First off, you need to really look at the resources you have available to you, the people you know, the machines you have, the skills you've built throughout the years. Secondly, you need to look at what the actual problem is and the potential fixes for it. I like to go down the route of the simplest fix. It may not be the most cost effective, or it might be the most cost effective. It all depends on the objective of what you're trying to do. It's important to make sure when you're fixing a mechanical problem like this, you want to fix it for either the short term or the long term, and you need to determine that before you figure out what kind of solution you are going to make. A long-term solution is way different than a short-term solution. Short-term solutions are usually faster, quicker, and cheaper to make, and the longer-term solution takes longer to make and is more expensive to make, but it is likely the better bet as a solution. When you think about the potential fix, you need to look at the complexity of what you're trying to fix. The best problem-solving capabilities are built on years of solving problems. With experience, you get more and more capable, and you get better at thinking through the different methods of trying to solve a problem, especially in the mechanical and manufacturing world. So just keep that in mind as you're learning how to solve problems, and you continue to solve problems. There we go. My 4 little parts are done. Got some nice holes in the middle of these guys from our thermocouples. On one of my upcoming videos, I'll show you some of the play toys I have here in the machine shop. I got all my fun toys and cars in here, and then I also have a shop at home. I'll have more fun toys. And as you know, I have the extrusion company up north that we've set up last year, and we're working to keep building capacity. And then also I have Baratech Industries, where we do injection molding, engineering, 3D printing, mold building, all that good stuff. So, and if you stay tuned, subscribe, I'll be showing you all my fun play toys I've purchased over the years, and maybe give you a little ride in them and do some fun stuff.